Hello everybody, and welcome to a chat from the engineering desk. Today we're going to be talking about our next kit build, which is a scissor lift. I've got it over here. So what it's got is the motor which drives the little worm gear. There's a crown wheel. There's a pinion gear. There's a spur gear for further reduction. And over here is the pinion which drives the rack. At the bottom of the rack there's a shaft that supports it to keep it engaged with that pinion. And the same at the back. The shaft supported at the bottom, and there's a pinion that the rack slides on. The back of the rack engages over here, and what it does is it pulls these two together. So if I raise it up, that's the action of the lift. When I lower it down, that's the action of the lift. The power, you're wondering where it was. It uses one set of batteries for forward and one set of batteries for reverse. So what the switch does is it has common going out to the motor, and then positive from the one set of batteries, negative from the one set of batteries, and it selects between the two to go up and down. And then the batteries and the other side of the motor are common together over here, and that's how it works electrically. So over there's your gears engaged, and the whole kit is supplied with these little L brackets, pins and stuff. You need to assemble these the scissors by putting the pins through and pushing on these little stoppers, and then this is fitted on like that, so it just slides freely on the one end. And I reckon that's pretty much all I have to say about the scissor lift. And down it goes. I spent about 5 hours building this. The instructions are a little bit on the vague side, so there's quite a bit of working things out yourself to be done, and it's quite fiddly. I had to redo a couple of things quite a few times, and that's it, collapsed. So that's a scissor lift in all its glory. Scissor lifts are cool, and that's how they work. This is a little kit. Thanks for joining me for this talk. Hope you enjoyed it, found it interesting, informative, learned something from it, be inspired to build your own. Have a great day further, and we'll see you for the next one. Thank you. Cheers.